Demonstrative pronoun for male in Arabic. This, Haza. That, Zalika. Demonstrative pronoun for female in Arabic. This, Hazihi. That, Tilka. What is this, male? Ma Haza. This is a book. Haza Kitabun. This is a pen. Haza Qalimun. This is a chair. Haza Kursiyun. This is a dog. Haza Qalimun. This is a cat. Haza Kittun. What is that, male? Ma Zalika. That is a book. Zalika Kitabun. That is a chair. Zalika Kursiyun. That is a dog. Zalika Kalbun. That is a cat. Zalika Kittun. That is a table. Zalika Maktabun. What is this, female? Ma Hazihi. This is a car. Hazihi Sayyaratun. This is a room. Hazihi Ghurfatun. This is a fan. Hazihi Mirwahatun. This is a copy. Hazihi Kurrasatun. This is a bottle. Hazihi Qaruratun. This is a building. Hazihi Imaratun. What is that, female? Ma Tilka. That is a copy. Tilka Kurrasatun. That is a tree. Tilka Shajaratun. That is a garden. Tilka Haqibatun. That is a fan. Tilka Mirwahatun. That is a car. Tilka Sayyaratun. That is a bicycle. Tilka Darwajatun. That is a machine. Tilka Makiniyatun. That is a college. Tilka Kalayatun.